In Survey Analytics version 6.3, we have made changes to the advanced quota control functions, which is now available under the Edit Survey tab. When you click on the Edit Advanced Quota Control, you will now be able to see the overall quota limit available, in which you'll be able to set the number of completes that you would like. So say for instance, you can go with 100 and you can refresh and also specify your over quota limit message directly and save your changes. Once you have that set up, you'll be able to see that your quota settings have been successfully updated. The next thing you'll be able to see is the weighted quota criteria. So now you can go in and select a question. For instance, how many James Franco movies have you liked, or how likable is he? And then you can specify the percentage on each question type across 100 responses and save the configuration. Next thing you'll also be able to do is add a custom variable quota criteria. So that means whether or not you're using the community management tool for profiling information, or you have imported custom variable information from an email list that you would like to use, you can go ahead and fill in the value, and then you can set up a target quota. So for instance, with custom variable 1 in the system, I can say that that means they're a James Franco fan, and I only need 30 of them. And anyone who completed the survey, I only need up to 30. And then you can go ahead and add additional custom variables, and you'll also be able to have up to 255 variables. So there's a lot of different options, and you'll be able to add more variables here. Go ahead and click on Save Quota, and you're all set to go. Next item we've also included is the Advanced Quota Control option. And what this will do is you'll be able to build multiple questions and set up quotas based off of a handful of questions that you want to build. So say for instance, you only want to target females between the ages of 21 and 34 who are single, that are big fans of James Franco, then you can go ahead and set up the advanced quota and set this up here. And then you can put your target count based off of the number of people that you want. And then you can pull either by the responses in the survey and select the question and add additional questions as well. And then you'll also be able to include custom variables. So you can make this a very robust quota to work with. And once you have that all set up, then you can go ahead and click on Save Filter, and you're all good to go. So that is the new changes that we have with the Advanced Quota Control function. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your Customer Success Manager, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.